In the next 60 seconds, you'll know more about creating a Gmail account without a phone number than most people on the internet. Seriously. Because almost everyone keeps doing it the hard way. Same steps. Same screen. Same annoying request for a phone number. You're just trying to create a Gmail. Not register a SIM card, not explain your life choices to Google. Maybe this email account is for a new website, app you want to test, maybe a backup email, maybe you just don't feel like giving out your number again using your Gmail to sign up everything due to privacy. That's fair. In this video, I'll walk you through a method that still works right now. No weird tools, no outdated tricks, just a small adjustment most people never think about. Miss it, and Gmail asks for your number. Do it right, and you move straight through. If you like simple tech guides that save time and frustration, tap like so YouTube knows that you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want more shortcuts that actually work. Let's get into it. The email I'm about to show you is a free temporary Gmail account, and you can use it for all purposes. Before I begin, just so you know, I will first demonstrate how this Gmail works. I'll sign up for some apps, explain a few key points, and you're going to get your free, unlimited Gmail account. Let me first register for a Galaxy.ai account. Galaxy AI is the only app with every single AI tool you could ever need, all in one place. We're not affiliated with them. I just normally use it for image generation. Or let me probably sign up for a free temporary phone number that can receive OTP verification. The site is called receive-sms.com. So, back to our Gmail now. I will copy the Gmail address created for us and sign up for our free SMS account. I will review the name of the app one used to create the free Gmail account, as well as the other free Gmail alternative app, as we move forward. Just watch till the end. And our account creation was successful. The email I used here is a disposable Gmail account, and the good thing is that it's perfect for quick email verification, testing, or blocking spam. Fast, disposable Gmail inbox is made for privacy and ease. The name of the app is temporary-mail.net. For websites that are not commonly used and require account registration, we recommend using a temporary email. But before that, I first used this email generator called mailmeteor.com. What it does is allow you to explore variations of your Gmail address effortlessly with this free Gmail generator tool. Enter your email, and it will create alternative addresses for you. It's a handy way to customize your email without changing your primary address. Give it a try. Simple and free. And one more thing. Before you can get your free Gmail from this temporary email, you need to uncheck both the one with the .domain and the one with .google mail, leaving the remaining two. Then you can hit activate to get your free temporary Gmail account activated and start using it. Let me teach you the best trick now. There's a saying that we always leave the best for last, and this one is simple but very effective. Let me show you a built-in feature that lets you create unlimited email addresses from one account. Yes, you heard that right. No extra sign-ups and no new inboxes. I'll also show you how to use this for sign-ups, automatic email filtering, and even tracking who shares your email address. Let me show you how this works. The first method is called plus addressing, and this is the one you'll probably use the most. Let's say your email is cobbyuniverse@gmail.com. You simply add a plus sign before @gmail.com. For example, carbyuniverse plus shopping@gmail.com. Or carbyuniverse plus newsletters@gmail.com. Even though these look like different email addresses, Gmail delivers them all to the same inbox. You don't need to create anything new. The key part is that Gmail recognizes the text after the plus sign, which lets you create filters, labels, and rules. The next trick is using dots in your Gmail address. This surprises a lot of people, but dots don't matter at all in Gmail. That means cobbyuniverse@gmail.com and cobby.universe@gmail.com both go to the same inbox. Gmail simply ignores dots in email addresses. This is helpful if you want to separate your first and last name visually. copy.universe@gmail.com looks cleaner and easier to read, but Gmail still treats it as the same address. Now you might be wondering why this matters. This is where plus addressing becomes powerful. Since Gmail recognizes everything after the plus sign, you can automatically organize your emails as soon as they arrive. To set this up, go to Gmail and click the search bar at the top. On the right side, click Show Search Options. In the fields, enter the plus address you want to use, like carbuniverseplusshopping@gmail.com. Then click Create Filter in the bottom right corner. Here, you choose what Gmail should do with those emails. You can skip the inbox, mark them as read, or apply a label. I'll choose Apply Label and select Shopping. If you don't see that option, just create a label and name it anything you want. Once you've chosen your options, click Create Filter. From that point on, any email sent to that address is handled automatically. No manual sorting. This is perfect for newsletters, app trials, receipts, or anything you sign up for online without cluttering your main inbox. Let me share a few ways I actually use this. Instead of just plus newsletters or plus shopping, you can be more specific, like using plus Amazon, to make tracking even more precise. That leads to one of my favorite uses. You can track who shares your email address. If spam starts showing up on a specific plus address, you'll know exactly which site leaked or sold your email. The idea is simple. Every site gets its own address, but everything still comes into one inbox. Your inbox stays organized and much easier to manage. Just keep in mind, this is Gmail specific. Other email providers don't handle plus signs or dot the same way. And that's the trick. One Gmail account, unlimited addresses, and way more control over your inbox. If this made things easier for you, hit like. Drop a comment if you want another powerful trick creating unlimited Gmail account step by step. Subscribe so you don't miss it. I'll see you in the next one.